In Japan, this specific ritual is why most homes remain calm at 3 a.m. It is not about luxury or having the perfect house. It is about the intentional transition from the chaos of the day to the stillness of the night. If you find yourself overthinking as soon as your head hits the pillow, you aren't lacking sleep, you are lacking a boundary. To truly rest, you must first reset. Let's begin with the 10 habits that change everything. Habit 1. The entryway boundary, clearing the physical path. In a traditional Japanese home, the Genkan, or entryway, is a sacred threshold between the public world and the private soul. By resetting this space to nights, straightening your shoes and pointing them toward the door, you signal to your brain that the outside world has been officially left behind. This physical boundary creates the psychological safety required for deep rest. You are telling your mind, the work is done. The world can wait. Habit 2. The Osoji sweep is the art of Osoji, or the small evening sweep. You are not just cleaning a floor. You are sweeping away the day's mental residue. In the philosophy of Japanese minimalism, the state of your room is a direct reflection of the state of your mind. A 5-minute sweep ensures that no yesterday leaks into your tomorrow. As you move the brush, imagine you are clearing away the dust of today's stresses, leaving a blank canvas for the morning. Habit 3. Willpower preservation, preparing the morning tea set. Decision fatigue is a primary cause of evening anxiety. By placing your favorite cup and the tea leaves out tonight, you eliminate the very first decision of your next day. This simple act of foresight preserves your limited willpower for the moments tomorrow when you truly need it. It is a quiet, loving gift from your current self to your future self. Habit 4. Digital Kanso. Digital Kanso, or the practice of simplicity. We place the phone in a different room at least 30 minutes before sleep. In our modern age, the screen is the greatest thief of peace. It keeps the brain in a state of high alert, scanning for a threat that doesn't exist. Removing this artificial glow allows your internal rhythm to find its natural baseline. Silence the noise of the world so you can finally hear the clarity of your own thoughts. Habit 5. The meditative. The ritual of folding. Instead of throwing your clothes on a chair, take 60 seconds to fold them for tomorrow with intention. This turns a mundane chore into a meditative practice of gratitude. Each fold is an acknowledgement of the items that serve you. This ritual creates a visual sense of order that wards off that subtle, low-level morning anxiety we all know too well. When you wake up to order, you wake up to peace. Habit Lu. The Ma's surface. Setting the Ma, or the empty space. Choose one single surface in your home, perhaps your desk or your nightstand, and clear it completely. Give your eyes a place to rest when you wake up. In Japanese design, empty space is not a vacuum. It is a place of possibility. When you wake up to a clear surface, your brain isn't immediately forced into a state of sorting. You simply breathe. Habit 7. The biological reset. The evening foot soak. This is more than a comfort. It is a biological trigger. Warming your feet helps dissipate internal body heat, which is the exact signal your nervous system needs to enter deep recovery. As the water warms you, feel the tension of the day melting away from your muscles and your mind. This is the bridge between doing and being. Habit 8. Mono no aware. Mono no aware. We take 1 minute of silence to acknowledge the fleeting nature of the day. We do not judge the mistakes we made. We simply observe them as passing clouds. We let go of unfinished tasks, knowing they will wait for a rested, stronger version of us tomorrow. The day is over. It was a fragment of time that is now past. Let it go. Habit 9. The Andon light. Dimming the Andon light. Low-level warm lighting mimics the natural sunset. By lowering the lumens in your home, you prepare your melatonin levels naturally. You are aligning your body with the Earth's clock rather than the city's artificial pulse. Let the shadows grow in the corners of your room. They're the cradle of your sleep. Habit 10. The breath of Enso. Finally, the breath of Enso. We sit for 60 seconds in total stillness. We do not plan, we do not reflect, we simply exist within the circle of the present moment. In this stillness, we acknowledge that we are already enough. By repeating these rituals, you don't just sleep, you reset. You protect your brand of peace.